So in this video, I'm going to be transferring myself into an ABG. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. If this is your first time watching my video, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. So in this video, I'll be transferring myself into an ABG. An ABG means Asian baby girl, and their checklist to know who an ABG is. So now in terms of makeup, they wear fake lashes. They have long highlighted hair, mostly ombre, like blonde kind of ombre. They have long nails. I couldn't get my nails done because I'm currently in lockdown in my country. Their brows are necessities for life. They have really well-defined brows. Yeah, they also use contact lens, like they have colored eyes. They have tattoos, they have piercing, also do some ring liner. So if you want to see how I transform into an ABG, then don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. And I'll see you guys in the video. So I'm just going to do my makeup real quick. Then I'm going to come back here to like do the other features of an ABG. I've done my full face, so now I want to wear my contact lens. You guys don't wear your contacts after you must have done your face. Like, it's a struggle. See, I'm terrible. I hope this tear map doesn't show. So I've gone ahead to wear my contact lens. I got fresh look in styling gray. Yeah, just wait. Like, it was a struggle because I'd done my makeup and I was tearing up a lot. So now I'm going to wear my wig and dress up, then I'll just be right back. And just wait for it to dry, then I'll also take off my scarf from my hair, then I'll show you guys the finished transformation. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. What do you think of my colorful tattoos? But yeah, so this is the finished result of me transforming into an ABG. Contact lens popping, nose ring popping, tattoo popping, weave popping, you know, makeup popping. Yeah, so let me guys know what you guys think about this transformation down in the comment section. Rate me from 1 to 10. Did I ace this look? Do I look like an ABG, like, you know? So let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to know you guys comment on this look. And also please don't forget to check my last video. I did a Scott Brand's makeup challenge. Don't forget to check that. I'm going to link it up there. You could just check my channel for it. And also thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it, and thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing this video and doing all the good stuff to this video and to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.